Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious seafood mousse. This recipe here is actually inspired by Malaysian fish mousse, which is called Otak-Otak. However, instead of using the glutinous flour to bind everything together, I'm going to use some egg and extra egg yolk and some basa fillet as the body of my mousse. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use this blender to make the base of our mousse. Here I have some 4 cloves of garlic and 1 shallot about this size, and also 2 stalks of lemongrass. As I mentioned in last video, chop off the upper part and the woody part at the bottom. And here I also have some 1 thumb of the turmeric. You can find them in premium car market. And here I also have around 8 grams of galangal. And this is 1 fresh red chilli. And you can also substitute it with some red bell pepper if you cannot eat spicy. And here I have 5 grams of the lemon peel. And to add that, I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp. You can also use a little bit of the belacan I mentioned in the first video, but here I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of the dried shrimp. To spice the whole thing up, here I have 1 teaspoon of fennel seed and 1 teaspoon of the whole peppercorn and 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar. And lastly, I'm going to put in 250 grams of basa fillet. To get the whole thing going, I'm also going to add 80 milliliter coconut cream. And 1 egg with extra egg yolk. To finish off, just squeeze off the lemon juice. Okay. So I'm going to put this one on blender and then we can make our own base. Okay, now the paste is ready, and you can probably tell it's really thick and really like gelatin. Okay, so to add to that, I'm going to use some crab meat. This is around 200 grams of crab meat. I bought them from the can because I think the spice and the herb I use here can definitely get rid of the undesirable brine and the canned taste from the crab meat. So just gently combine everything together. And also here I also have 2 tablespoons of chive and 1 tablespoon of dill to enhance the flavor as well as give the color of the paste. Now you can see the mousse is ready. It's quite thick and it's really colorful. Okay, now as you can see, I already transferred it into a container like this, and I also put 3 shrimp on the top to give it nice presentation and enhance the sweetness and the fishiness into this dish. So now this one is going to water bath in the oven at preheat to 180 degrees Celsius, and about 40 minutes to 1 hour the fish mousse will be ready. Okay, now as you can see, the fish mousse has already been in the oven for 45 minutes, and I took it out, let it cool for around 10 minutes. For the final touch, I'm going to serve it with some poached egg. And a little bit of fresh chive. So that's it. Here you have the most amazing seafood mousse.
It is always enjoyable moment for me to cut into the poached egg, so the egg yolk will burst into a beautiful sauce for this dish. Look at that, it's just delicious. Anyway, here you have the seafood mousse inspired by Otak-Otak. And if you like my ideas of home cooking, you love my recipe, and you cannot wait for more recipe, please go subscribe and stay tuned for any new update. See you next time, friends.